Hello. So this is not exactly what I had in mind, but with this machine ever so delicately balanced against the wall, I can't do much else at this moment. But I can point out things that are inside. Can you see? Okay. This wire, here it goes. This wire goes to here. This is a multi-ROM adapter, because of course there were programs of an assorted sort that required you to have a ROM or an EPROM inside the machine. And if you had more than one that needed the same socket when you were using it, you didn't want to have to be opening the machine all the time and saying, okay, let's see what we have here. And doing it that way. That would not be good. Or pulling the ROM out and going, let me see what I can do to get a look at what is in here. All right, I have a light. Okay, so we have a 901.427-4 and a 901.465-19. And if I pick this up, there are other EPROMs in here. 901.465- it looks like 20, and 901.465-23. And oh, there's one here. It's definitely PaperClip from Batteries Included. And also here, I am finding a little wee sticker. A little wee sticker indeed. And the little wee sticker says BPI number 4. And I think that was for the manager. Or maybe it was something else. Or another, or anyway. But maybe that ROM isn't it, or maybe it's one of those. I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. Anyway, this machine is, let's see what we can find here. It looks like it's all here. It looks like most everything except for the ROMs are in the board, not in sockets. I do see some corrosion by the screws. So I don't think it's got wet, but certainly it's been not in the, perfectly dry place. I'm just looking for the board version, which I should be able to find. Maybe it's here. I just have to rub it off. Yeah, I thought that's what it was. It's the Universal Dynamic PET Assembly number 803-2089. This means that this board, once they got, things sort of figured and sorted and better, this board could be an 8032 or a 4032, which would be the Fat 40. I'll just lift that up so you can get a look at those under there. And then, of course, I'm wondering, as I do, let me just turn, hello. Turn off the light on that phone. And I guess the next thing to try, because what the heck, go big or go home, I just need to unplug my phone charger, plug in this line cord. Now you can't see. Now here's a challenging thing. I think the switch was in the on position, but I'm not sure, and I can't really see, and this is all very kind of squirrely. So I think I've turned it off. I'm putting the power cord in. I'm going to turn it on. And I hear nothing. And I see nothing. I'm flipping the switch. Oh, that sounded better. I heard a little something. Like that whoomph, the inrush current. But am I seeing anything? Not as of yet. Well, I'm not seeing any smoke. I'm not seeing any flame. I'm not... Now, is the screen plugged in? It is plugged in. Power's plugged in, keyboard's plugged in. I hear a gentle buzz. I'm going to turn off the computer and see if I see anything flashing on the screen, and I do not. So, well, shocking as shocking can be, another old pet. Oh, that is not working. And in this case, has issues with the hinge. Well, I guess there's not much more I can do with this at this moment. So, I won't. I will, I gotta move this. I don't want to hurt the phone. I don't want to hurt the pet. I don't want to hurt anything. So, I'm going to bid you farewell and get this carefully into the various piles here that I can see about getting. Yes, another pet from the garage. I lose track of how many there are more. I think maybe there's 3 more. But, you know, I'm still excavating. So, thank you. Thank you very much for coming. See you soon. Bye for now.